Hello everyone. So I'm going to shoot a series of videos over the next couple days doing some generator maintenance. We've had a lot of questions after Hurricane Beryl hit as far as how to change oil, how to clean carburetors, how to diagnose some stuff. So we're going to walk through pretty simple procedures, show you guys how to do it. So I actually have two generators. This is the one I used for the hurricane. This other one we use it out at a fishing cabin. We abuse it all year long. We rarely change the oil on it. I'll typically bring it in once a year, do a bunch of maintenance on it, and send it right back out into operations. But today I'm going to walk through because it's got a slightly different carburetor than this one here. So this one has a very typical carburetor, and so when I pull it apart, it'll solve probably 80% of your problems. This one over here, the carburetor actually has a solenoid on the bottom of it. So I'll show you how to service the ones with the solenoid as well. And then we're going to shoot another video on how to properly store these things because, typically it may be 6 or 8 months or a year before you use it again. And when you pull it out, you want it to work that first pull or second pull at the most. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Show you some quick, easy tips on how to keep these things going. We'll do some oil changes and we'll go from there. So I'll probably shoot 3 or 4, maybe 5 videos. I want to keep them all 5 to 7 minutes long. That way they're easy to consume. So let's get started. First thing first, I want to show the difference on the carburetor. So this is a, what is this? Briggs & Stratton 1850 series engine, and it's 420 cc's. This does not have a solenoid on the bottom. It's just got a drain hole right here, and this here's we'll get into all the different parts, but it's a pretty typical carburetor that you'll see on a lot of applications. So this other one, it's a much smaller engine. And you can see right here, it's got a solenoid on the bottom of this carburetor. So we'll pull them all apart and show the differences here in a few minutes.